Hi, everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. 2020 has been an incredibly challenging year for so many reasons, and we hope you and your families are doing okay. Given what's going on today, Google's North Star of being helpful to people feels more important than ever. There are a lot of things weighing heavily on people's minds right now, and not everyone has access to some of the usual outlets that bring us comfort and relief. Things like connecting with family and friends, traveling, or even simply going to the movies has been challenging. So today, we want to bring a few of the things we've been working on across Google that we hope will bring a little joy, entertainment, and connection into people's lives.
For many families, TV is the heart of entertainment in the home. I remember growing up in India. I always looked forward to Sunday evening when my family would come together to watch TV. It was usually a Bollywood movie. There was only one channel. It was called Doordarshan, and literally the only thing that was on at that time. But with Google TV, I'll see a row of tailored recommendations from across all my favorite streaming subscriptions, all in one place, making it way faster to find something to watch. In ambient mode, turn your TV into your large digital photo frame, showing all the favorite pictures you've taken. It even works with your Nest cameras and doorbells.
To me, the incredible part about Chromecast that we were able to make old TVs new TVs. So something that was antiquated all of a sudden became smart. Millions of people around the world use it every day to cast their favorite movies, shows, and music. The new Chromecast with Google TV builds on everything that people love about Chromecast, and it's the perfect complement to Google TV. And the biggest news here is the addition of a remote to help you navigate with either your finger or your voice. So my favorite button is the Assistant button, and that's why we even made it a fun pop color. And with the Assistant button, it's so easy. You just press it and you ask it what you want, and it just magically shows up. Even when you say something like, "Play the Great British Baking Show on Netflix." Remotes can often feel bulky and boxy with too many buttons. And for me, anything you bring into your home should feel like it's a part of your life and your personality, even remotes. The new Chromecast remote has a floating stance that invites you to pick it up, and it comes in 3 distinct colors that live naturally in their surroundings: snow, sky, and sunrise. We wanted to make the remote as delightful as a bowl of candy. We also have dedicated buttons for today's most popular streaming services like Netflix and YouTube to give you even quicker access to the content that you love.
Last year, we launched the Pixel 3a, an affordable phone with a really awesome camera. And this year, we launched the Pixel 4a, and it's selling even faster than the 3a. And today, we're introducing the 5G version, Pixel 4a 5G. With Pixel 4a 5G, you get the best of 4a as a 5G experience. It has a larger edge-to-edge OLED display and a more powerful battery. The Pixel A series has always been about making the best of our technology as affordable as possible. And with 5G gaining momentum, we wanted to make this new technology available at an affordable price. The Pixel 4a 5G starts at only $499. But we know that some people also want more with their phone. So we're introducing the new Pixel 5, which brings together the best of Google's 5G experiences with water resistance, 8 GB of RAM, and wireless and reverse wireless charging. So you can use it with your Pixel stand or to charge your Pixel Buds on the go.
In addition to the hardware, what really makes the Pixel phones incredible is the software. 5G makes many of the great experiences we deliver faster. But people want more than just speed. Speed is still a big part of it. For example, you can download a movie in just seconds now. And we're also optimizing video streaming quality in both photos and YouTube for 5G speeds. But then with Wi-Fi features like smart downloads on 5G, your YouTube music playlists are proactively downloaded. So even when you don't have connectivity, your entertainment continues seamlessly. 5G and Google Duo can make connecting with friends and family more engaging and entertaining. Not only can you connect with anyone on any phone, you can now share your screen and watch videos together. Especially now, being apart from friends and family, it's great to be able to share fun moments while on a video call, like men's haircut tutorials. Hoping these video tutorials can help me cut my husband's hair better and my son gets the confidence for his mom to let him cut his hair. Pixel 5G and Stadia combine to create an instantaneous gaming experience. Today's biggest games ready wherever you are. Play in all your favorite places, at home or on the go. No more waiting for game downloads or updates. Pick up your Pixel and play instantly.
Some people think that to get all the benefits of 5G at an affordable price, there needs to be a compromise on some of our core features like camera. But that's not true. Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G share the same front and rear camera system, and it's our best one yet. Starting with the hardware, we've put a new ultra-wide lens on the back, and HDR Plus has received a serious upgrade, mixing Google novel techniques with traditional HDR techniques like exposure bracketing to help you take even clearer, sharper photos. The new ultra-wide lens on the back lets you capture more of the scene in both your photos and videos. Whether you're capturing a breathtaking landscape or a family get-together, the ultra-wide lens ensures you get it all. Users love taking photos with beautiful background blurs, but this is challenging to do in super low light conditions. So we've added night sight to our portrait mode. For those evening strolls or backyard s'mores, this combination allows the subject in the foreground to stand out even in low light. The funny thing is, backyard s'mores is our use case. So my kids love making s'mores. We have not been able to camp this year. And so we've been doing them in the backyard, camping outside and making s'mores on our gas fireplace. And we're able to take portrait shots of them with the background blurred with the fire, just adding oranges to that background and them popping with their s'more on their stick. It's pretty exciting. We improved portrait mode with a new feature we call Portrait Light. We know you can't always get good lighting. That's why with Portrait Light, you can illuminate your portraits even when you're backlit against a beautiful sunset or have a harsh shadow on your face from the bright sun above you. Because we use
Hello, I'm Mark Spates, and I'm the product lead for smart speakers at Google. The original Google Home provided users with great sound, and for the first time, hands-free help from the Google Assistant. Well, we learned a lot since that journey. And one thing that was very clear is that people love music. Today, we're introducing a new product to our family, Meet Nest Audio. Our goal was to create the very best smart speaker for listening to music for only $99. What's really great with Nest Audio as well as Nest Mini is that they all work together seamlessly. One that can easily connect with other Nest speakers and displays, and it can be the center of your whole home audio system. We spoke to sound engineers, musicians, and audio specialists on our own team. They told us that there are 3 key things that you have to get right in an awesome smart speaker: more bass, more volume, and maintaining that natural, clear sound. Nest Audio delivers 50% more bass, 75% more volume than the original Google Home. We introduced a 19mm tweeter for consistent high-frequency coverage and clear vocals, and added a 75mm mid-woofer that really brings that bass. As a result, Nest Audio delivers fuller, clearer, and more natural sound. And this really starts to take the music listening experience to the next level. So you're probably wondering, how are we going to demonstrate sound quality version?
And you can pre-order everything featured in the show from the Google Store. Thanks for spending some time with us.